It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
It's been raining in Manila and in some parts of the country. On days like these, it's normal to worry about your car, especially when you're about to hit the road.
But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig.
Welcome to AutoCorrect. In today's episode, we are here with our friends from AAP Autocare to bring you essential tips on how to take care of your car during the rainy season. Windshields protect drivers and passengers from debris like dust, insects, and most especially the rain. So, for the first tip, make sure to check your wiper blades. Your wiper blades will help you avoid squeaks, smears, or streaks, which will directly affect your line of vision when driving. For a brighter drive and a lighter day, here's tip number 2. Remember to check your lights. They're your eyes on the road. And good vision always leads to safer travels. Make sure to check your lights and bulbs before you hop on your vehicle. If we value the eyes, what more the body? Take time to check the supporting structure of your vehicle. Tip number 3, make sure your car is properly washed and waxed, as this will provide an additional layer of protection and makes your car look cool on the road. You know how we check our phone's battery before we go on trips? Well, cars have batteries too, and they definitely need our attention. Tip number 4, before driving, check your battery if there are any electrical, light, or engine issues. This will ensure a fun and safer ride. Now you're good to go. Tip number 5, take a break to check your brakes. Guarantee that your brakes are properly working to ensure not just your safety, but also the safety of everyone else. Tip number 6, are you willing to check your tires? Tires are what keep us going. Literally, they keep the car moving. So in order to keep your car moving, remember to always check your tires and make sure they're in good shape. Check your tire pressure before you go on an adventure. Don't forget tip number 7, pack spare tires with you. You never know when you'll need it. Better safe than sorry. Now that the exterior is all good, remember to do tip number 8. Take care of your car's interior as well. Make sure you don't leave any trash inside your car, and remember to keep it a clean space for a comfy and cozy ride. Does that sound like a lot? Don't worry. Here's the tip that every driver should remember before driving off. Check your battery, light, oil, water, brakes, air, gas, engine, tools, and self. As they say, blow baguettes. Start memorizing the acronym now, and you'll eventually get the hang of it. Check Checking your car before going is a good practice to keep yourself safe on and off the road. Bonus tip: insure your car with a reliable insurance. Finding the right car insurance for you is an investment in the long run to keep you and your car insured, secured, and happy. That's it from us. Stay tuned for more car care tips here at AutoCorrect. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon!